going to go to Eric Zernick, our meteorologist. He's tracking the storm. Barry and Eric, can you just tell us more about what's going on right now?
Yeah, looking at those videos, it shows that water continuing to hold in the streets, and that's because we had so much water. The river levels are beginning to pick up, and so the water just isn't able to drain as fast. So it is going to take some time for that water to go down. So if you don't have to be on the roads, I don't advise it, because there is going to be numerous spots, just like where that truck tried to get through, where there's quite a bit of water in the roadways, anywhere from 1 to 2 feet. And so that could cause some stalling of smaller vehicles. Let's look at the radar right now and kind of show you an update of what we're dealing with across Acadiana. So the heavier bands that moved through earlier this morning, that kind of woke maybe several of you people up. I know it woke myself up at home around 3, 4 o'clock when those heavy rains were pounding on your window. That big band has now begun to move off to the east and getting ready to push into the Baton Rouge area, most of it out over the basin, but we do still have that tail end extending down into portions of St. Mary Parish. So the northern portion of St. Mary Parish right now seeing some of those heavier rains. The good news is it does look like the rain is beginning to at least push out of New Iberia. St. Martin Parish and Lafayette down into Vermilion's getting a little bit of a break. We are starting to see this band fire up a little bit more back through now into Acadia Parish, moving just to the north of Crowley and heading towards St. Landry Parish and Evangeline, and that extends back over into Jeff Davis. But what we are watching are these more showers out in the Gulf. So we have this band that is now pushing through the Vermilion Bay. That'll be working up into western portions of Iberia Parish. So it does look like maybe New Iberia within the next half hour to hours, you could see the rain start to pick up again as this band works its way in. Also watching this down to the south. That'll be our next round, possibly for Lafayette as we kind of work upstream. That could move in the next couple hours. So as we get closer towards about noon, that's when we could possibly see another round of heavier showers pick up in our area here locally for the hub city.